turn the flower, back portion of flower is towards you. You have done chain 8. Now single crochet in the same stitch, chain 2, single crochet in the chain 4 space and turn the flower again. Now front side of the flower is towards you. Now 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and picot. That is, slip stitch into the first chain and make a picot. Now again 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Single crochet in this stitch. Again chain 4, 1 petal is made. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and single crochet between the next 2 petals. Now one leaf is made. Now for the second leaf, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn the flower, single crochet in the same stitch, same base stitch here. Same base stitch. Yes. Now loop is formed. Chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet in the chain 4 space. Again turn the flower. Now front side of flower is towards you and make 8 DCs, picot of chain 3, then 8 DCs and single crochet in the same stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain to make a picot. Now again chain both double crochet, 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 double crochets, chain 3, picot and then 8 double crochets and single crochet in the same stitch. Now 2 leaves are formed. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and single crochet in the space between the next 2 petals. and in this way you will complete the leaf round. So for this round I have used this color, and then this one. So after making all the leaves, I'll show you how I completed the last one. I have made three, 7, 8. After making 8 DCs, slip stitch to first chain 4. And snip the thread off. So the flower is complete. Thanks for watching.